Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Blueberry Lightningcloud, also known as a Thundercloud Blueberry Soda number 3. Okay, let's make a Blueberry Lightningcloud. The first thing I'm going to do is put a couple of ingredients in the bottom of the glass, and I'm using a pint. That is the official glass of this drink. I'm going to put in 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Next, lime juice. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of lime juice. Blueberry syrup. Blueberry syrup, I'm going to put in 1 full ounce or 30 milliliters of my blueberry syrup. And note, I do make all my own syrups. The recipes for these are on the channel. Check the links in the description down below. 1 ounce of the white rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Give it a stir. Get blueberry all over your cutting board. Add some ice. Oh, it's a clean bar top. Ginger beer. Use the ginger beer that you like. Not ginger ale. Ginger beer is different. It has more ginger in it. And I'm going to kind of top this off, but I'm going to leave enough room for a little bit more rum. That seems about right. And finally, the black spiced rum. 1 ounce of that. And I'm going to pour this slowly, not so slowly, but it should form a little bit of a darker top. Garnish. No 9-volt batteries, but I am going to use a metal straw. Blueberry skewer and a lime wheel. And there you have it, a Blueberry Lightningcloud, also known as a Thundercloud Blueberry Soda number 3. And if you want, you can stir this up to mix with flavors. I'm just going to drink it as is. Drink with good spirits.